And here's a hand. What's going on here? Okay, I got to this table with $1,000. Full table. I go with an 8-7 and I hit 3/8, so that's 3,100. And I sit out, and sit out with these crap cards. 2-7. Sit out, sit out. Then it comes to this one. Deal comes. I got a 6-5 club. Suited connectors. Well, Doyle Brunson says play suited connectors, so I figured, well, I'm already doing pretty good. I took 1,000, turned it into 3,100. It's not really gonna matter if I lose this, because 3,100, that's pretty easy to do if you just sit around and wait for a hand. So comes clubs. He goes all in. He folds. I put in 13. I match his. He matches it. He goes all in. He goes all in. Everybody's all in except me. I go all in. Got 2 clubs, but still it's just a 6-5. 2 more clubs coming to flop. These people are all going in. There's so many people in that there's separate pots for everybody. Pretty confusing. But the pot's up to 17,000, and it's just a flop. Everybody's confident they're going to win. 5 comes up. I figure, well, I got a 5. If I don't get a club, maybe I'll get a little bit of something somebody put in. Maybe I'll get a little bit of my money back, a couple $100. Everybody's in. Comes up another club. Nobody else has 2 clubs. Actually, nobody hardly has a club at all. So I get it. $3,000 into 14,000 in a minute. Sometimes you gotta, if you start out a tournament with 90 people, you'd be lucky to finish 4th and make 14,000 after 2 hours. This was less than a minute, and that's why you play suited connectors.